Hey everyone, welcome back with Overmore Concepts. Today, we are gonna dive into the brand new touring bike Marin Four Corners to 2024. This is a whole new model that brings touring to the next level, more terrain, better feeling. And now, let's unbox and see what this Marin Four Corners to have. You can use this bike all-purpose from midweek commute to weekend gravel or touring with no problem. So the first impression of the Four Corners 2 is the gray paint color mixed with black and green logo, making a really nice retro color. Retro, classic but not a low-end bike. Because we got a Series 3 double-butted CrMo frame with through axles design, which is a big upgrade compared to Four Corners 1 that offers lighter frame, higher durability, high-end wheel sets compatible. That is how we make a bike with retro style and modern components. The bike also absorbs bumps better when you're riding on rough trails. Each well is meticulously handled, guaranteeing both strength and aesthetic style. Look how beautiful it is. The geometry of the bike is made to provide stability and comfort for long rides. Well, it's a touring bike, isn't it? Oh, don't forget the dropper post compatible. Quite useful if you love having fun in tough trails or simply resting your legs during a red light. As you can see, Marin Bikes has been using SRAM components lately this year, and the Four Corners 2 is equipped with the SRAM Apex group set that offers 12 speeds, making it easy to tackle all terrains from hills to city streets. It's smooth and reliable, perfect for everyday rides or long journeys. Plus, the flat mount hydraulic disc brakes have a modern look. It's slightly lighter and gives you a better speed control than mechanical brakes, ensuring safety even in bad weather conditions. The Four Corners 2 also comes with 6 bottle mounts, rack and fender eyelets, lowrider fork mounts, so you can easily add racks, lights, or any gear you need for long trips. Depending on the frame size, the bike will have 650B wheels on extra small and small frame and 700C on medium frame and above, so the bike will be suitable with everyone, easier to control. Then we got a large tire clearance here that can be up to 50mm wide tire. That will be 29 times to 0.0. Imagine you have a medium frame and go with 27.5 wheels. How big the tire can be. Check out the handlebar. This one has 16-degree flare instead of 12-degree of the last model. All of this upgrade means Four Corners can now be more aggressive, more terrain can be explored, and more fun you will have. The Marin Four Corners 2 isn't just a bike. It's the perfect companion for anyone passionate about exploration and adventure. With a combination of durability, performance, and cool style, it's definitely a bike that a touring lover cannot skip. What are you waiting for? Let's explore some new places.